Hello students, welcome to my channel Avadhi's classes. Today we are going to learn about rounding numbers, in which first we will learn rounding to the nearest tens. For this, first step is look for the digit at the ones place. Is that clear? For the nearest tens, always look for the digit at the ones place, in which there are two conditions. First condition is ones digit is smaller than 5, and the second condition is ones digit is greater than or equals to 5. Each condition has some rules. In first condition, ones place digit less than 5 has two rules. First is replace the ones digit by 0, and the second is keep other digits same. Is that clear? For the second condition, the first rule is replace the ones digit by 0, and the second is increase tens by 1. Is that clear? So let's come on some examples. Let's take first one, 94. Okay. In this number, first we will look for the digit at that ones place, because we are using nearest tens number. We are doing nearest tens, rounding to the nearest tens, in which first look for the digit at the ones place. The ones place is 4. In the ones place the number is 4. So we are taking 4. Okay. Let's compare this number. 4 is smaller than 5. It means it unders first condition. Okay, according to first condition, the first rule is replace the ones digit by 0. In number 94, the ones digit is 4, so replace 4 by 0, and the second is keep other digit same. Other digit means 9, so keep other digit same as 9. Okay, so is the number 90 is the number. It means 94 is rounded off to the 90. Is that clear? Let's come on second one. 856. Okay. Rounded off to the nearest tens, in which the first main rule is look for the digit at the ones place. The ones place digit is 6. Let's compare. The second step is compare with the conditions. So 6 is greater than 5. It unders this condition, ones digit greater than 5, in which the first rule is replace the ones digit by 0. Ones digit is 6. It means replace 6 by 0. But the second rule is increase tens by 1. Tens digit is 5. So tens digit increase by 1. It means 6. So number is 860. Is that clear? So 856 is rounded off to 860. Is that clear? Let's come on last example. 2235. In this example, first we look for the digit at the ones place, which is 5. Let's compare it. 5 is equals to 5. It under second condition, it means replace the ones digit by 0. Sorry. 2235. So unit place is 1 place is 5. It replaced by 0. Is that clear? But the second rule is increase tens by 1. The tens digit is 3. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, and the number is 2240. Is that clear? So 2235 is rounded off to 2240. Is that clear? So let's come on next one. Next is rounding to the nearest 100. For the nearest 100, look for the digit at the tens place. Is that clear? For the nearest 100, always look for the digit at the tens place. It also has two conditions. Tens digit is smaller than 5 and tens digit is greater than equals to 5. Okay, in which we are looking for tens place because we are doing nearest 100. Okay, each condition has some rules. The first condition has, first rule is replace the tens and ones digit by 0. Second is keep other digits same. Okay, we are comparing tens digit number, so that replace the tens and ones also digit by 0. Is that clear? And the second condition is tens place digit equal or more than 5. It means the first rule is replace the tens ones digit by 0 and the increase hundreds digit by 1. Hundreds digit because we are using nearest 100 number. Okay, we are doing nearest hundreds. For that, let's take an example. The first example is 538. We are doing nearest 100, round off nearest hundreds. So first we will look for the digit at the tens place. So tens place digit is 3. Okay, so replace the tens and ones digit. First we will compare this digit with two conditions. 3 is smaller than 5. Is that clear? So it holds first conditions. First condition in which tens digit is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. In which we are applying first rule. Replace the tens and ones digit by 0. In number 538, the ones digit is 8 and the tens is 3. It means replace both places by 0. It's 500 and the keep other digit same. Other digit is 5. Keep as a same. It means 538 is a rounded off to 500. Is that clear? Let's come on second one. 2382, in which first we will look for the tens place, which is 8. Let's compare with the condition 8 is greater than 5. It holds second condition in which replace the tens and ones digit by 0. Tens digit is 8 and ones digit is 2. So 2, 3. Tens digit is 8. It replaced by 0 and ones also replaced by 0. Is that clear? And the second rule is increase hundreds digit by 1 and the hundreds digit is 3. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. It means 2400. Is that clear? 2382 is rounded off to 2400. Next example is 54,656. Okay, in which we are taking tens place. We are considered tens place, which is 5. So let's compare. 5 is equals to 5. It comes under this condition. It means replace the tens and ones digit by 0. So 54,600. Okay, and the second step is increase hundreds digit by 1. Hundreds digit is 6. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. It means 54,700. So 54,656 is rounded off to 54,700. Let's come on next topic. Next is rounding to the nearest thousand. Okay, for the nearest thousand number, we will look for the digit at the 100 place. Okay, which place? 100 place. It also has two conditions. First is 100 digits smaller than 5 and second is 100 digits greater than or equals to 5. Each condition has some rules. For the first condition, we have rule first, replace the tens, ones digit by 0. Okay. Two conditions are there. First one is 100 digit is smaller than 5. For this, we have two rules. First one is replace the hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0, and the second is keep other digits same. For the second condition, we have two rules. Replace the 100, tens and ones digit by 0 and increase the thousands digit by 1. Which digits? Thousands, because we are talking about nearest thousand. Okay, for that we are taking some examples. The first example is this: 3,787. In this example, we will consider 100 place. Which place? 100 place means 7. So compare this number with 5. 7 is greater than 5. It means it holds second condition. For the second condition, we have two rules. First is replace the 100, tens and ones digit by 0. In this number, the 100 digit is 7, tens is 8 and ones is 0. So all three digits is replaced by 0. Okay. And the next is increase thousands digit by 1, and the thousands digit is 3. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. It means 4,000. Is that clear? So 3,787 is rounded off to 4,000 in nearest thousands. Okay, come on, next one. The number is 10349. 10,349. Which number? 10,349. In this number, first we will look for the digit at the 100 place, which is 3. Compare this digit with 5. It is smaller than 5. It holds first condition. According to first condition, the first rule is replace the hundreds hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. In the number 10,349, ones digit is 9, tens is 4 and 100 is 3. All three digits are replaced by 0. It means this. Okay, and the keep other digit same. Other digit is 1, so it remains same. So 10,349 is rounded off to 10,000 to the nearest thousand. Is that clear? Let's come on last example. 10,597. Okay, first we will look for the digit at the 100 place, which is 5 is equals to 5. Okay, it holds second condition. It means replace the hundreds, tens, ones digit by 0. The three digits are ones, tens and 100. It means 1. Okay, is that clear? And the second rule is increase thousands digit by 1. The thousand digit is 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. It means 11,000. Is that clear? So the 10,597 is rounded off to 11,000 under nearest thousands. Is that clear? Here are some questions for you guys. You can answer me in a comment section. Okay, if you have any doubt or any query, you can also ask me in a comment section. Thank you very much.